lovely souls. I hope you all have watched a previous video on Superbrain Yoga. In today's video, we are going to dive into Tibetan Rites, which are 5 powerful exercises that can transform your life. Are you feeling drained, overwhelmed, or stuck in the chaos of daily life? What if I told you there's a simple ancient practice that can help you feel younger, stronger, energized, balanced, and stress-free in just 10 minutes? These Tibetan rites are a gift from the Himalayas to your body and soul, often called the fountain of youth. These 5 movements, created centuries ago by the Tibetan monks, are more than just exercises. They are rituals designed to balance your energy centers, that is your chakras, to align your mind, body, and energy, and promote vitality, flexibility, and emotional well-being. And the best part is, they take less than 10 minutes a day, making them perfect for modern life. Why Tibetan rites are perfect for modern stress? In today's fast-paced world, stress doesn't just affect your mind, but it drains your energy and blocks your body's natural flow. The Tibetan rites are designed to reset and regenerate your energies, making you feel lighter, calmer, and more connected. Think of recharging your inner battery. We will guide you step by step to the Tibetan rites. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey to restore your mind and body. So rite 1, which is the spinning. It's an energy awakener. This movement helps kickstart your energy flow. Begin with 3 spins and gradually you may increase to 21 as your body adapts. If you feel dizzy, stop and take a deep breath. The second one is the leg lifts. That's the core strengthener. This strengthens your core while aligning your lower chakras. Breathe in as you lift and exhale as you lower. The third one is the camel pose, which is the heart opener. This pose releases tension in your heart and your throat. Move slowly and focus on deep, steady breathing. Rite 4, reverse tabletop. This is a posture corrector. This one strengthens your spine and shoulders while promoting calm, deep breaths to release off the stress. The 5th, that is the downward dog to upward dog. This is the energy flow booster. This full body stretch stimulates every energy center, leaving you feeling completely regenerated. Practical tips for beginners. Begin with just 3 repetitions of each exercise and work your way up to 21 as your body gets stronger. Practice on an empty stomach, either in the morning to start your day right or during the mid-break to reset your energy. Pair these movements with mindful breathing for maximum benefits. Benefits of Tibetan rites. By practicing these simple movements regularly, you can boost your energy levels, reduce your stress and anxiety, improve your flexibility and strength, enhance your focus and emotional balance. These ancient practices truly are the antidote to the stress of modern living. These Tibetan rites aren't just exercises. They are a gift of balance, strength, and calm from an ancient tradition. Take a few minutes each day for yourself. You deserve it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more holistic healing tips. And let me know in the comments how you feel after trying the Tibetan rites. Remember, transformation begins with small, consistent steps. Let these movements guide you to a healthier, more energized you. See you in the next video.